Welcome to part 2 of the CleaveJS series, and in this part we're going to focus on next part, which is the date formatting. So I'm going to skip right now the phone number formatting because this one has some different functions and it is slightly different than what you expected. Copy pasting of this will not work in there. So let's focus on this more. This is a bit more interesting to start with. So let's copy this. And of course you say, well, if you just copy this and then paste, it will work. Is it true? Well, let's see. So we're going to refresh here, and you can see here 1, 2, 3, and this is really nice. So you can see this is now the format of the phone numbering. And here you'll probably say, well, you can put in date, right? Date as well. Date has a different structure, as you can see here. So you can remove this. And you can just call this tel as phone number to control the method of input. So this is really nice because look, you see here 2000, let's say put in 2018, and then if you put in here like 3, yes, so number 3 for the month, yes, March, you have to put 03, but if you put in 30, 3, automatically it will suggest you 3. So if you put in 30, it's not possible. Even if you will put in 1 is possible because it understands if you have 1, well, it could be 1 and 2. However, if you have 8, there's only one 8 in there because the maximum is 12 numbers, of course. So same with here. If you would put in 40, it's not possible. But if you would put in 20, 20 or 24, that is possible. So this is nice. So I want to just give this a slightly more nicer design. Let's copy this here so you can see. I'm going to copy this. This is from Bootstrap, just to make the design a bit more appealing. I want to adjust that so we have a bit more nicer design. And then only what we have to do is basically copy this one, the element class, put it in the input here, and this text I will put in tel to make it a phone number, div, and then here I would say width 25. So the size will not be full width, at least I'm not expecting it. Alright, so that's good. So here now you can see here there's a username and we just put it date. Alright. And let's delete this right away. So once you have this all here now, let's look at again here 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see beautiful. So this is nice, and the same goes for if you want to change your format here. Let's copy this and change that. Let's save this, and refresh here, 1, and there you are. So you can see now you have different things. The format here is month, year, and you can play with that as well if you want, maybe even date here. Date, or then the date. So you say 22/6 for June 2018. And you can play around here with probably with more. Let's see how far we can go. Can we do the month, like a month, 10? And no, that's not possible. Let's try here, month, 10. No. As you can see, this is not all possible. However, this is really how you can do it. And this is probably the one that does work. 2018, no. And if we just put in here, let's see if this suggestion works. Also not. So the reason why it doesn't work is simple, is because we don't have the value of it. Of course, it needs to be capitalized. And let's try here. Try one more time. 2018. And there you are. Alright, so now that works. Apparently we just have to pay attention to this, but PHP works slightly different. So if you're used to PHP, you have to just remember this. So this is really a way where you can do it, and probably here, let's see if we can, I'll do that in the next video. We just focus, see if we can play around more with this.